Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk of money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand. Welcome back if you're an existing subscriber, and if you're new, make sure you follow us here and all other social media platforms. Click the link in the description to have access to one of our digital courses and ebooks, how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. When you're ready to start building that asset column, creating financial freedom and true wealth, then that volume is a must read. It's going to help you understand the new rules of money, how to use leverage, the cash flow system. It's going to teach about the cash flow triangle, the cash flow circle, the different categories of investors, the different levels of investors, the different controls of a master investor. What is a master investor? How to achieve the level of a master investor? The difference between an asset and liability. The difference between what we're talking today, which is sales and marketing. That's today's topic that I have for us on this amazing talk. Our mission here at Master Investor is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple. We're looking for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Today's topic is the difference between sales and marketing. Okay? Strategically expand our asset column. Summary. Techniques for direct selling alone won't sustain our business. Adopting marketing systems tactics for our target audience is necessary to grow our business. To go across the cash flow circle, one must understand the distinction between marketing and sales. It may surprise us to learn that a lot of individuals are unaware of the distinction between marketing and sales. We should understand the distinction between the two. Low sales and poor staff and poor communications are common problems for businesses. For business owners, sales for a company with effective marketing will come in naturally. If a company's marketing is lacking, it will have to work extremely hard and invest a lot of time and money to increase sales. Moving from the sales to the marketing side of the cash flow circle. The one distinction between self-employed, the S side of the cash flow circle on the left side, and the owners of successful enterprises, the business owner side, was that the left side of the cash flow circle, the employee and the self-employed, were frequently strong at sales but weak at marketing. Conversely, those in the right side of the cash flow circle, and the B, business owner, or the I, inside investor or master investor, an inside investor is a master investor. But we put inside investor because the closer we are to the investment, the more control we have, and that's what we want. We want to teach you how to put the deal together so that you can raise the capital so money comes to us, because we have a sound deal and you can recognize what is an asset, what is a liability. We can read financial statements. So an inside investor means that we are as close as we can to the deal, okay? Because we have more control. So the wealthy, we invest on the right side of the cash flow circle. Conversely, those in the business side, on the right side of the cash flow, we excel in both marketing and sales. Sales is what we do in person, one-on-one. Marketing is sales done via system. Systematic sales conducted through marketing. For a business to succeed, marketing and sales are both crucial. An individual in the self-employed side of the cash flow circle who wants to go into the business owner's side of the cash flow circle needs to take their one-on-one sales skills and learn how to promote and build a sales system that generates more leads, which is marketing. Strategies for marketing systems. Although the fundamentals of marketing are quite straightforward, mastering their effective application requires time and effort, just like with most other arts. Make sure our marketing tool is tailored to our targeted demographic and that we are aware of who they are. In other words, understand our client. We need to pinpoint who the group of people is that we are offering our products because they have that problem. Include the following elements in the process of any marketing campaign. Number 1, determine a need. Number 2, offer a solution. Number 3, respond to the question from our client, what is in it for me? In addition to providing a solution to the question, we can frequently utilize promotions and convey a sense of urgency for the client to reply. Like I mentioned earlier, calls of action. Embedded it throughout our daily content, whether we're doing a vlog, video marketing, email campaign, etc. Even a podcast like today's. Make sure you click the link in the description. See, that's a call of action. In action. Adding contacts to our email list is as simple as asking to be added to every person we meet in networking organizations or offering a regular newsletter that people can subscribe to on our website. The benefit of email list is that we may target those who have already shown interest in us and our offerings. It makes sense to take advantage of that and maintain focus, because with analytics we can see exactly the behavior of the leads that are coming in, so we can pinpoint exactly what they want and what we need to change and tweak on our email campaign. Today's useful marketing tools: we may market to potential clients and generate a lot of leads for our sales team to close with a variety of techniques. Fortunately, as technology has advanced, marketing has become more affordable and easier to use. With proper execution, we can generate more leads for less money. Here are some excellent low-cost places to begin our business's marketing initiatives. Send an email, build up our email list, and using them to promote our goods and services is crucial. Adding contacts to our email list, it is as simple as asking to be added to every person we meet. The benefit of the email list is that it's going to give us the power to nurture them all the time. Everybody reads their emails more than text messages. We're always reading our emails. So having an email from somebody is a great advantage, okay? So we have something that is personal. We have to take it and protect it and nurture and make sure that we're providing value. Otherwise, they can unsubscribe from our list. Social media. Social media networking sites such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook offer excellent, inexpensive means of advertising our goods and services to prospective clients. By using the demographic and psychographic filters included in these platforms, ad offerings, we may create target ads and attract the attention of highly specific demographics for very little money. Networks of referrals. Nothing beats word of mouth advertising, and positive things will happen when we can rely on our current clients and business associates. Offering referral fees to clients and associates who bring in qualified prospects that close is one approach to grow our business. Technology has also made it much simpler to track these kinds of programs. Referral programs, for instance, are often integrated into customer relationship management CRM systems. Generation of content. We are reading a piece of marketing that we realize that, or we're hearing a piece of content, right? If you're watching this on YouTube, we're live right now as well as we record this amazing podcast. But if you're hearing this is a piece of content that we created. It's a piece of marketing to bring in more leads and more partners into our community here at Master Investor. The Master Investor company produces pertinent and helpful content every week, which we offer for free on our website, and also our courses and ebooks that you can buy from our company. It is time to give marketing a higher priority inside our sales funnels if we want to see growth in our company. Furthermore, this is the ideal moment to get started. Though they are a terrific place to start, but these are only a few of the possibilities available to us in the market today. We will be far ahead of our rivals if we can master them. Start investing in high-quality financial education by reading our financial ebooks. Click the link in the description. If you like what you're hearing today, then let me know. If you have any questions, drop it down in the chat box. And I hope that you enjoyed today's talk on money, business, and investing. Let me know if you agree with me in regards to having systems rather than doing sales in person. So if you want to upgrade your life, you need to learn how to make more money by doing less physically. In other words, have systems doing all the work, and then we do less and less and less and less and less, but make more and more and more. It's all about having more freedom as we grow our wealth. If you're making more money but you're losing your freedom, then you're going about it the wrong way. However, if you love your job, there's nothing wrong with that, right? We encourage everyone to follow their passions. However, we also encourage everyone to master money, not let money master you, right? We are the masters of money. Money is our slave, and we literally tell money what to do, and we send money out to work for us to bring back more money, to multiply. We can only do that when we have financial education. So The foundation of true wealth is found in the ability of reading financial statements. Start with our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, because when you get it on our website, you have additional assets. One of those assets is a financial statement that you can download into your Excel account. If you have one, you can print it and fill it in. Okay, you have to understand where you are financially today and how is your cash flowing through your financial statement. You can only see that when you have it on paper, when you have it in front of you. You have to understand your expenses, your income, how you make your money, your asset column, your liability column, and how are we going to improve that asset column. We're going to focus our energy and time and effort on that asset column. That is the only way we can create true wealth in this life. And it's the only way to have money work for us. Otherwise, you'll be working for the rest of your life for money. You got to learn how to make money while we're asleep. We like to call it pajama money. Once you start making that type of money, you will never want to go back to anything else. Trust me. So get started today. If you want to learn how to build the asset column, how to have systems to do the selling and telling for you using other people's products, you can create your own products. You can start right now. If you're interested, make sure you click the link in the description. I'll talk to you on the next podcast. And thank you for listening to another amazing talk. Remember that 2 types of debt when it comes to business and when it comes to debt. A lot of people only relate debt with something bad. They said, okay, that's bad, get out of debt. Actually, in order to become wealthy, you need to use debt to achieve that. Why? Because the more debt we have, the less we pay in taxes legally, because debt is tax-free, because money is created with debt. After 1971, on August 15, President Nixon separated the gold standard from the US dollar. From that point forward, money became monopoly money, fiat money, an idea backed up by confidence, currency, paper money. It's not longer real money. We must grasp that. We must understand that money today is not backed up by gold. And it's created with debt. Moving from that point forward, money became debt. And so if money is created with debt, then that means that you and I can do the same thing that the government does, which is print money legally, just like that, from thin air. We have to just ask the bank to give us the money because we have a business, we have an asset that looks good on their books. So they're going to lend us their money and the savers' money. That's why the savers are losers on this new world of money. Good debtors are winners because money is created with debt due to the changes in the law. All right, I'll talk to you in the next podcast. Thank you again. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Bye for now.